Write my number down. Or take the picture. That's my name. That's my number.
Self-determination groups Ipob, Yoruba Nation, and other agitators from the South and the Middle Belt on Tuesday, 14 September, stormed the United Nations for their 1 million man freedom march. The protesters demanded the United Nations to supervise referendums in Nigeria and an end to the genocide being perpetrated by Fulani herdsmen in the name of grazing, and rejected the 1999 constitution. According to the chairman of the Nigerian Indigenous Nationalities Alliance for Self-Determination, (NINAS), Professor Banji Akintoye, the protest was to draw the attention of world leaders to state-sponsored terrorism against the people of the Middle Belt and southern Nigeria. Meanwhile, a Yoruba Nation agitator in this video has a message for Nigerians who have been in the field system for too long to recognize that it is abnormal to live in abject poverty and penury. Hear what he has to say.
Yeah, I can't song, I can't live, I can't níbi gbogbo tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi o. Mo kọ nǹkan kan fún gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà, so kún máa lè gbọ́ láti ṣí wọn létí. So this is a message for Nigerian citizens. Why do you think killing is a normal thing? Why do you think not to have electricity is a normal thing? Why do you think bad roads is a normal thing? Why do you think not to have good hospital is a normal thing? Why do you think not to be able to eat 3 square meal is a normal thing? Why do you think not to have a better life is a normal thing? Why do you think people leaving the country for greener pasture is a normal thing? Why do you think after graduating in the university you cannot get a job is a normal thing? Why do you think as a man you cannot take care of your home is a normal thing? Why do you think Fulani tribe are saying they own the land is a normal thing? Why do you think the white man brought us together is a normal thing? Why do you think the politicians are looting our money is a normal thing? Why do you think the politicians travel abroad when they need medical attention is a normal thing? Why do you think the educational system in Nigeria has collapsed is a normal thing? Why do you think the politicians send their children to study abroad is a normal thing? Why do you think after election the politicians don't care about us is a normal thing? Why do you think the Fulani terrorists attack on the Nigerian Defense Academy and killing of Nigerian army is a normal thing? Why do you think all these genocides happening in Nigeria is a normal thing? Why do you think Fulani terrorists killing and shouting Allah Akbar is a normal thing? Why do you think the Nigerian government are pampering the Fulani terrorists is a normal thing? Why do you think after the expiration of the 1914 amalgamation that brought Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa together, they are still keeping us as one is a normal thing?
Write my number down. Or take the picture. That's my name. That's my number.
When
Sorry. City where you are? City where you are?
Maryland.
Oh, okay. And she New Yorker. Maybe I want New Yorker. We are Brooklyn at the Bronx. The bá sọ pé oúnjẹ gidi àbí bá dẹ̀ tún dé 42nd Avenue. Ṣé ẹ̀mí ní Nàìjíríà food lọ́sọ̀? Ọ̀nà yẹn á jì. Àwọn ará ní okay ẹ mọ̀ pẹ̀fú ẹ̀lẹ̀ tó máa ń ṣe Yorùbá program yẹn tó máa ń ṣe Yorùbá play one of Yorùbá actors ni tí bá rí sí màá pọ̀ jẹ́ Brooklyn tó bá á ṣàlàyé fún yín bẹ́tà ọ̀ á sọ nípa ẹ̀mí lọ.
The leader of the umbrella body of Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilanoma Odua, Professor Banji Akintoye, has disclosed that the body, other groups are